Auguste Comte thought that we must discover the laws of social life. So he thought that sociology is the subject which can discover these social laws. He argued that the present situation at his time was the creation of the previous two stages of the development of society, that is theological and metaphysical. And these, probably the explanation had become, in his opinion, outdated. Therefore, we must apply the scientific approach to find out the laws which govern the social life of the people. So he said that if we apply the scientific approach, the total control of positivism on the study of the human behavior, that could help us in digging out the laws. And if we know the laws, the reasons or the explanations for the existence of the situation or the problems of the society, then we can, let's say, tinker with the root causes of that, and we can reform the society. The basic idea was to reform the society, and this reformation was to be, let's say, considered or applied by, let's say, digging out the laws of social life. So sociology could expedite the arrival of positivism and hence bring order in the social world. So he considered that we have to, let's say, bring in a change not only in the society but in the thinking of the people as well. So he was advocating the intellectual kind of change is. So in that approach, his focus was to study the let's say the group rather than the individual. So he would focus on family rather than the components of the family members as individuals. He also considered that the entities, just like the family and the community or the other groups, are not isolated entities. These entities are interrelated. These groups are interdependent. So they are not in conflict with each other, but they have to be in harmony with each other. They are supposed to be in harmony with each other, and that will create the social order in the society. So his emphasis was on the whole rather than on the individual. So he was looking into the, let's say, groups, the interconnections amongst the groups, which might lead to overall structure of the society. And he was focusing on the study of the structure of society and how the change occurs in it, and how that change can be a smooth change rather than creating social problems in the society. Therefore, he advocated the discovery, interpreting, and the application of the social laws. So discover those social laws, interpret them, and see how those social laws explain the existence of the behavior patterns or the working or the functioning of the society. So he was a great advocate of the application of positivism or scientific approach to the study of human behavior. And in his opinion, sociology has the distinctive ability to discover and interpret these social laws which do govern the social life. So apply these social laws and try to solve the problems of the society and bring social reform in the society. So in his opinion, although sociology came very late with respect to other, let's say, sciences, but in his opinion, it can play very significant role, and it might become a dominant scientific force in the world within the system, because it will have the, let's say, expertise for the study of the societies, digging out the laws of the society, and then using these laws for, let's say, looking into the dynamics of the society and bring harmony by overcoming the social problems of the society.